Hi, welcome to Morning Circle. I'm so glad that you're here today. Today we're going to do our calendar. We're going to work on patterning. We're going to work on our skip counting. We're going to do our weather and we're going to do our calendar writing. So let's get to it. All right. Friends, here is our month. Our month is April. Starts with a nice capital A-P-R-I-L. It's April. It is the fourth month of the year. And our season is spring. All right, are you ready to do our days of the week? Today we're going to do days of the week go round and round. Remember, for that song, instead of it starting on Sunday, the song starts on Monday. And we're just going to do the motion where you really get your elbows going and you get your shoulders going, okay? So make sure that you're getting those round and round. Are you ready? The days of the week go round and round, round and round, round and round. The days of the week go round and round, start all over again. The first day of the week is Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and they start all over again. Good job. Friends, for today, we need to figure out where our last date was so that we know which day of the week it is. So let's look. I'm going to go Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and when I go down the column and across the row, that's where our hole is. So that means that today is Thursday. So we'll bring over our sentences. And I'm going to find my Thursday. Make sure when you are saying the word that you get that tongue out. Thursday, okay? It looks a little silly, but that's how you make that good TH sound. So Thursday. All right. If today is Thursday, yesterday was Wednesday. So we're going to put our Wednesday right here. All right. So if yesterday was Wednesday and today is Thursday, that means that tomorrow will be Friday. All right, so let's go through our sentences. I'll do it first, then you follow along with. Yesterday was Wednesday. Now it's your turn. Yesterday was Wednesday. Good job. My turn. Today is Thursday. Your turn. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. All right. So friends, now it's time to count. We need to find where that number is that goes in this spot right here. So count with me. We're going to start up here at 1, which was the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What goes right here? 16. Good job. 16. So 16 is not a yellow umbrella and it's not a rain cloud yet. We need to do our pattern so we know which one goes there. So let's look. Umbrella, rain cloud, 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 umbrella. Which one? Is it a rain cloud or an umbrella? You're right. It is a rain cloud. So we're going to put our rain cloud right there. All right. So we've done our pattern. We figured out what today's day is and what today's date is. The date is the number. The day is what day of the week it is. So now we're going to do our calendar writing because we have all the pieces we need. Here we go. Remember, when we are doing our sentence, we are going to start with a capital letter because we always start our sentences with a capital. In our sentence, we're going to have a couple other capital letters, one for the day of the week and one for the month, because those are proper nouns, meaning they're the name of a particular day and a particular month, okay? So, we want to say that today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. So that's the sentence we're going to write here. Remember, we use our 4 lines. We use our sky line, our airplane line, our grass line, and our worm line. Okay, here we go. We're going to start up at our sky line and go all the way straight down to that grass line and stop. Then we're going to go across the sky line. There's our T. Next is our O. We're going to go airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line. Nice round O. Then we're going to do our D. Airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line. Sky line down to the grass line. T-O-D. All right. Then we're going to do our A. So we're going to go airplane line down to the grass line. Airplane line down to the grass line. All right. Today ends in a Y. So we're going to go and do airplane line, slide to the grass line. Airplane line, slide past the grass line to the worm line. Good job. So now we need our finger space. We're going to put that right there. So we can go on to our next one, which is our sight word, is. So we're going to go airplane line down to the grass line. Put a dot. No lollipops. All right, next we're going to go airplane line, squiggle, squaggle down to that grass line. That is our S. So right now we have the word today and the word is. We're going to put another finger space in here. And we are going to put our next piece, which is today is Thursday. Thursday is a capital T because it's the name of the weekday. So we're going to go just like we did in the beginning, skyline to grass line and go across the skyline. There is our T. Now, Thursday starts with that TH blend, that th. So you're going to put your H next. TH makes the th sound. So we're going to go skyline down to the grass line, up to the airplane line, and down to the grass line. All right, next is a U. So we're going to go airplane line, down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line, down to the grass line. Next we have our R. So our R is going to go airplane line, down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line, give it a hook. Okay, S is next, just like we did this one. We are going to go airplane line, squiggle, squaggle, all the way down to that grass line and go around a little bit. Okay, so now we have Thurs. That would be the abbreviation for Thursday, but we want the whole word. So we're going to go and do our day. All right, airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line. Then we're going to go skyline down to the grass line. Next is going to be airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line down to the grass line. Next, we're going to do airplane line, slide to the grass line, stop. Airplane line, slide through the grass line to the worm line, and stop. Today is Thursday. Now, I'm not going to fit April in this little teeny space. It's not going to happen. So I need to go to my next line. You probably already on your next line. So if you have room for it, you can continue on. If not, go on to the next line. It's okay. So here's our word April. We spelled it earlier. A-P-R-I-L. But remember that A is special. That is a capital A because it's the name of a particular month. So we're going to go skyline, slide to the grass line. Skyline, slide to the grass line and go across that airplane line. Next, we're going to do our P. So we're going to go airplane line down to the grass line. Airplane line down and around to the grass line and back around. AP. Do you remember what's next? It's the R. So we're going to do R. Airplane line down to the grass line. Airplane line and give it a hook. All right, next is our I. Airplane line down to the grass line, right between the skyline and the airplane line. Put that dot, no lollipops. And then we're going to go from our skyline down to our grass line. Today is Thursday, April. Do you remember what the date is? There you go, it's the 16th. So we're going to put that finger spacer right back in. We're going to do a 1, which is very similar to a lowercase L in this skyline down to the grass line. And then for our 6, we're going to go skyline down to the grass line, around to the airplane line. And that's now the number 16. 1, 10, 6 ones. Okay, we're going to do that comma. That comma is that little teeny hook. It's not a period, but it's not a big C. It's just a little hook that goes right after your 16. Next, we're going to do the year. So over here, I'm going to put my finger space, and then I'm going to go skyline, slide to the grass line, and across that grass line. There's my first 2. skyline down to the grass line, back up to the skyline. And then I'm going to do it one more time because 2020. All right, next, skyline down to the grass line and across the grass line. Then we're going to go skyline down to the grass line, back up to the skyline, and put a period. So now we can read our sentence. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Great job. Thank you for doing that with me. Remember to keep starting those letters at the top and make sure you're taking your time to form them. All right, so let's get on to weather. We're going to warm up our hands. We're going to do some skip counting to 100. We're going to count by fives. So we're going to throw up 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when we count by tens, we're going to throw out all 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So make sure you're throwing them out with me. Because the more you throw them out and say them, the better you're going to get at remembering what we're saying as we do it. Okay? So let's start with fives because we've been doing that this week. So we'll start with fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job. Now we're going to throw out our tens. Ready? Wiggle those fingers. Get ready to go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. All right, so now that our hands are all warmed up, we're ready to get our weather song. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is there snow or is there sun? Well, friends, yesterday there was snow. There was a lot of snow when I was going to bed, and there was less snow when I first woke up, but still saw some on the roof. So I don't know if you had snow where you are, but I definitely had some snow. Not enough to make a snowman though. So it was definitely cold though. And hopefully if you did have to go out for any reason that you stayed bundled up. Today though, friends, it is going to be cloudy. Unfortunately, still cold, but it's going to be cloudy too. Hopefully things will warm up as spring goes on. Fingers crossed. But for right now, we're having a cloudy day. So if you could sign cloudy with me. And then we'll put it up behind our 16. And we're all set with our calendar and our weather. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait till our next circle where we can go through and we can see what everything looks like for Friday. I'll talk to you later. Bye.